Alright, I think I've discovered the issue. Get it into frame. This is busted. Check that movement out. It shouldn't move around like that. Notice this dielectric there? I'll get it into focus. There's no dielectric between this tip and that. That's ground positive and ground negative. That's very loose. That shouldn't do that. Look at that, it's busted. I think that's caused a short here somewhere along the line, and it's blown the fuse. It's supposed to look like that. That's not loose at all. I'm going to try replace this cable end, or try another. Here it is, you can see it moves around. That's not good.